Dear students, you are advised that books and copies shops are opening, and purchase your book and copies so that you can do your work on fair copies. Students, on previous days we had solved 19th sum. Today we will solve 20, which is 8. A 7 upon 9 plus 1 whole 2 upon 9 plus 1 upon 9. B is 2 upon 15 plus 7 upon 25. Solution of A is here. 7 upon 9, 1 whole 2 upon 9 plus 1 upon 9. First we will change the mixed fraction into improper fraction. Therefore is equal to 7 upon 9 plus 9 1 ja 9 to 11, 11 upon 9 plus 1 upon 9. For adding these fractions, first we will see that denominator is same or not. Here denominator of all fractions are same, therefore LCM of same number will be same and 9 will be the LCM. Now first we will divide the LCM from the denominator of first fraction, and it will be 9 1 ja 9 and 1 7 ja 7 will be here. There and again 9 1 ja 9 and 11 1 ja 11 plus 11 plus again 9 1 ja 9 and 1 1 ja 1. Therefore here will be 7 plus 11 plus 1 upon 9, and 11 plus 7 plus 1 is equal to 19 upon 9. Students, here we are looking that numerator of this fraction is greater than denominator. Therefore we will convert it into mixed fraction, and for converting mixed fraction we will divide 19 by 9. Division is here, and we will write it like this: 2 whole number, 1 numerator and 9 will be denominator. Therefore 19 upon 9 is equal to 2 is to 1 upon 9. B is 2 upon 15 plus 7 upon 25. Solution is here: 2 upon 15 plus 7 upon 25. LCM of 15 and 25 is here, and it is 75. In 75, 15 will divide 5 times, and 5 to ja 10 will be here. 25 will divide 75 3 times, and 3 7 ja 21 will be here. Therefore 10 plus 21 is equal to 31 upon 75, and it is your answer. Now 21 is subtract. A 9 upon 16 minus 3 upon 16. Solution is here: 9 upon 16 minus 3 upon 16. Here denominator is same, therefore denominator will be 16, or LCM will be 16, and 9 minus 3 is equal to 6 upon 16. 6 upon 16 is simplified commonly with 2, and 2 3 ja 6, 2 8 ja 16. Therefore answer will be 3 upon 8. Here is B, and it is 3 is to 1 upon 4 minus 1 is to 3 upon 8. Solution is 3 is to 1 upon 4 minus 1 is to 3 upon 8. First we will convert it into improper fraction, and 4 3 ja 12, 1 13 upon 4 minus 8 1 ja 8, 3 11 upon 8. LCM of 4 and 8 is equal to 8. Here is rough work, and 4 2 ja 8, 13 ja 26, 8 1 ja 8 and 11 1 ja 11. 26 minus 11 is equal to 15 upon 8, and 15 here we are looking that numerator is greater than denominator. Therefore we will convert it into improper fraction, and if for converting in proper fraction, 50 will be divided by 8, 8 1 ja 8, 7, and it will be 1 is to 7 upon 8, 1 is to 7 upon 8, and it is your answer. Now 22 is write the decimal as common fraction. A 0.1. Here we are looking that from right hand side decimal is one at 1 digit. Therefore it will be 1 upon 10. B is 0.03. Here we are looking that from right hand side decimal is at 2 digit, therefore it will be 3 upon 100 and 100, it will be 3 upon 100. C is 1.01. Here before decimal it is whole number, therefore 1 whole and decimal is what from right hand side at what 2 digit, therefore it will be 1:1 upon 100. D is 0.007. Here decimal is from right hand side as 3 digit, therefore we will write 7 and upon 1000 and it is your answer. 23 is a bundle contains 162 5 rupees notes. How much money is there in the bundle? Solution is here. Number of 5 rupees note in a bundle is equal to 162. Our value of 1 note is equal to rupees 5. Therefore, value of 162 notes is equal to 162 into 5, and here is multiply, and 162 into 5 is equal to rupees 810. 24. There are 8 equally spaced lamp posts on a state road. If the distance between the first post and the last post is 73 meter 50 centimeter, what is the distance between any two posts placed one after the other? Solution is here. Number of lamp posts is equal to 8. The distance between first and last lamp post is equal to 73 meter 50 centimeter. Therefore, the distance between two lamp posts is equal to 73 meter 50 centimeter divided by 7 is equal to, division is here, and your answer is 10 meter 50 centimeter. Therefore, the distance between two lamp posts is equal to 10 meter 50 centimeter. And I am advised you once more that stationery shops are opening. You should buy your book and copies, so that do your work in fair copies, and this is your homework, do it in your fair copies.